Hello YouTube viewers, welcome back to the Caterpillar channel, and today I'm filming on my phone. Sorry about that, my camera's dead. Have it on the charger, but I decided to try it out with this. Sorry about the shakiness, but anyway, I just barely got this new Makita brushless angle grinder. If you can see here, it didn't come with the batteries, I just have them so I can show you trying it out. The model is Xag03. If it'll focus. There we go. It's a dead man switch on the top. I don't like paddle switch, it's what I prefer. So yeah, it has the vents back here you can clean, the little filter screens. You can also, I heard you can buy new ones. I haven't looked it up yet, but I'm sure you can. You take them out to clean them once it gets clogged up. It has it on both sides. What the grinder comes with, if you get it a bare tool, it comes with the grinder, of course. The nice side handle. The grinder itself, it comes with the grinding guard. It has a little screw and a quick release, a quick set I meant, so you can set it. You can set the guard to different positions. It's on the guard, I'll flip it up. So you can set it to different positions and lock it back into place like this. And it's good to go. So yeah. Also, they made it so you can stand it up. So yeah, it has a really nice grip. The rubber feels really nice. So yeah, I'll set that down and I'll show you what the rest is in the box. Remember, I'm trying to do it with one hand here, so just bear with me, guys. I put some of the stuff back in the box. It comes with your manual, owner's manual. It comes with cutting wheel, typical grinding wheel. Nothing special. Comes with a cutoff guard also. It doesn't have a quick release. It has a screw, and it's also covered more than the grinding is, so that's quite nice. Comes with your wrench. I like the wrench. I'd rather not have quick release nut. So yeah, so I like the wrench. So yeah, so that's what came in the box. This is just a wheel that I got, and the one that's on it is a wheel I got also. So on the Milwaukee fuel that it comes with, instead of coming with a whole new guard, it comes with a slot you put over the other one, so it covers more of the wheel, half the wheel. I don't really like that. I'd rather have a guard, because on the Milwaukee fuel it's plastic. I'd rather have a piece of metal be in there than plastic. So yeah, so I'm going to show you some run tests with it. I'm going to clean the rest of this surface area off with the grinder. I'm going to clean the rest of the surface off. Bear with me, the noise might be really loud, but so yeah, I'm going to do it one-handed since I'm trying to hold the camera with one hand. It's way quieter than a normal grinder. So I'd also like to mention that also when you press too hard, the bottom has an overload light, so it'll just be green, and you let off when it starts to bog down. And also there's a battery gauge once you turn on the tool. It tells you the battery gauge, and also on the newer 4 amp-hour battery packs it has a battery gauge. And also a neat feature that I forgot to mention was, if you take off, if you take off the battery, which I'll try to do one-handed. Take off the battery, set it down, have the tool on, then you put the battery back in. You put the battery back in, it's on, but it's not on. It's a safety feature they have, so if you put a battery on and it's stuck against something, it doesn't just start going once you put a battery back in. So you need to shut it back off and then turn it on. I think it's a really slick design. I think it's one of the taller grinders of all the bunch, but nevertheless a really good tool. I did it on a run test on this piece of pipe right here. You can see all the clear I have on it that I've cleared off of it. I really pressed it on some of the places to see if I could stop it. That was about 20 minutes of run time that I got. 4 amp-hour battery. I'd say about 20 minutes altogether with grinding. So yeah. So I'm going to try to do one more test if my vise is going to work here. I'll try to cut a piece of rebar. Try to cut a piece of rebar with my vise. If it's going to cooperate. There we go. Yeah, there's something, a weld's starting to break. I gotta re-weld it. Anyway, we'll see if it'll hold up for this test. I don't think it's going to hold up. I don't want it to fall on my foot, so I'm going to try it on this piece of pipe. I'll just be careful. Again, I'm doing it one-handed, so just bear with me, guys. I'm going to switch the wheel real quick. So yeah, so I'm going to set you guys down. I'm going to set you down in the box. I'll be back in just a second. I got it switched out for y'all, so let's try to cut a piece of rebar one-handed. That's kind of sketchy. I didn't change the guard because I really got time for that. I'll change the guard a little bit. I switched it around, so here we go. Take one. So that worked quite well, as you saw. Battery life still on full from that bit of grinding we did there, and the 2 pieces of rebar I cut off. So yeah, so thank you guys really much a lot for supporting my channel. You can find more information on MakitaTools.com. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and check out all my other places. Like, I'm on the Tools in Action tool forum, so guys, go check me out on there. Caterpillar also. So thank you guys for watching my video, and stay tuned for more to come. Have a Merry Christmas and be safe. See y'all guys later.